Hey guys, snowing out. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you see it on the ground. At about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, on a snow below the driveway. Yeah, we're supposed to get a pretty big snowstorm, up to 8 inches. Yeah. You hear a snowplow truck. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's down on the main road. $10 truck. And there's a shed over there. And the snowblower. Just use the electrical one up on the front, and I'm going to use this back here. It's pretty cold out, but okay guys, well I'm going to get snowblower, and thanks for watching. I'll probably have a snowblowing video up tomorrow.